Humanity is in a race against time to limit global warming. Despite promises and pledges, global emissions remain stubbornly high. Researchers worldwide are searching for practical, scalable solutions to remove carbon from the atmosphere. One idea is surprisingly simple: burying wood. Known as wood vaulting or biomass burial, it's a method that could store more than 12 billion tons of carbon dioxide every year. That's enough to cool the planet by over a third of a degree Celsius. A small change that could prevent catastrophic tipping points, from melting ice caps to collapsing coral reefs. Here's how it works. Every year, plants absorb 6 times more carbon than humanity emits through fossil fuels. But when trees die or decay, that carbon goes straight back into the atmosphere. Wood vaulting interrupts this cycle. By burying logs, branches, and sawdust a few yards underground, where oxygen is scarce, microbes can't break them down, keeping the carbon locked away for centuries. Recent research shows that if just a fraction of our global wood waste were buried instead of burned or left to rot, we could meet the carbon removal targets set by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. And this isn't just theory. In Colorado, a startup called Woodcache has begun burying leftover logging debris, preventing more than 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide from escaping into the atmosphere. In Montana, massed reforestation is burying trees destroyed by wildfires, turning what was once a symbol of destruction into a carbon vault for the future. Even Carbon Lockdown, led by climate scientist Ning Zheng, has projects proving that buried wood can remain stable for thousands of years when sealed in clay soil. Of course, this approach isn't without challenges. Monitoring buried carbon, managing logistics, and ensuring long-term stability are all hurdles. But compared to expensive machines that capture carbon from the air, wood vaulting is simple, natural, and ready to scale. As one researcher put it, what if the answer was just digging a hole and putting some wood in it? Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Thanks for watching.